In this video lecture, I'm going to teach you about break statement in C programming language. Alright, so most times you might be able to terminate something. Maybe you want to terminate a condition whenever something is being met, and then you ask, how can you be able to do this? The very simple thing you have to do is introduce a break statement into your code, and then you've solved the problem. So let's think, as an example, you want to print out a number from 1 to 20 or 1 to 100, and you want to check that whenever it gets to 50 or do something, then go ahead and terminate is okay. So let's go ahead and check out how to do that using break statement. So here I'm going to, first of all, initialize a variable of x equal to 10 and put a semicolon at the end. And let's use a do while loop or a while loop. So let's go ahead and say, wow, that is, so y. So yx is less than, so let's say yx is less than 50. Alright. Go ahead and print out yx is less than 50. Go ahead and print out this number is this number is percentage d. So this number is percentage d. Move on to the next line and for like comma here and put a value of x right there. So I'm going to print a comma or a semicolon at the comma at the end. Now we want to print our d's to 50, and then what you're going to do is you want to stop at 25. So whenever it gets to 25 or whenever it gets to 30 or any condition we're given, then it should break out. How can you be able to do this? Go ahead and say, so if x is less than, let's say, 30. So if x is less than 30, go ahead and call break and put a comma. So this will break and terminate the operation. Or for this to move on, let's go ahead and say x increment. So x increment, I'm putting semicolon here. Now, if x is less than 30, then this go ahead and break out. So I'm going to print RDs from 10 to 29. Go ahead and print RTs. Let's check it out. So this number is 10, this number is 11 to 30. Okay, so it breaks out at 30. Now, if you change that to be 45, let's go ahead and change this to be if x is less than 40. Alright, it's going to print out 10 to 40. Check it out. This is 10 to 40. And then you can also give a condition. Maybe you want this to be 10 to, or say 10 to 20. So you call break and it's going to break out. You see that? Just only this 10 to 20 is printed out and break is introduced. So this condition is just using a while loop and introduce x++, so it can move from 10 to 50, and here you call a break statement to be able to terminate given a condition that whenever it gets to 20, or whenever it's less than 20, then you should go ahead and break out. So I believe that is just very simple to understand. Go ahead and pull it down on your own system and check it out. So these are about break statements in C programming language. In the next video lecture, I'm going to teach you about a continuous statement. So whenever you have a break statement, a continuous statement should be able to help you to learn another system in C programming language to solve this problem of break statement. So put this down, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture. Please, if you have any question under this video, please use the question and answer section, and we're going to meet in the next video lecture.